is currently receiving medical treatment on the Devonshire place. It is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. As we say all the time, most of them, after destroying the country, run to UK for treatments when fully they could have fixed the healthcare sector in Nigeria. So you can see Devonshire Place right there. You can see it there, Devonshire Place. You can see there the clinic itself, where we believe that Buhari is also receiving the treatment. So the London clinic, you can see right there. And that's why we say the Yorubas cannot continue to live in denial. So that is